Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for History Year 5, Unit 1, Anglo-Saxons and Scots, and this is video part 1 of 2. My name is Megan Latchford and I'm a design lead at Art Curriculum Plus for primary history, science and geography. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's Enquiry Question, and the unit's sequence of learning. The resources available on Oxford OWL are the History Progression document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, the PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the People Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources that go alongside some lessons, People Knowledge Guide, posters, and Discovery Box cards. To access the resources on Oxford OWL, you'll need to log into Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject, in this case Year 5 and 6 History. Scroll down to View the available resources. You could select the year group from the drop-down option and select the unit from the drop-down option, or just scroll through the entire resources for Year 5 and 6 History, and then download the resources for each lesson. Here are the overall disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit, and they can be found in the progression document and unit planning guidance in more detail. Although all units will support pupils with historical understanding, the main unit we highlighted as supporting this one is the Year 4 unit, the Romans. The main unit we have highlighted as using this new learning as the foundation for future learning is Year 5, the Vikings. For more detail on the links between the units and the progression of this knowledge, please refer to the Unit Planning Guide and History Progression document. Every history unit has an inquiry question which the learning is centred around. The inquiry question for this unit is, how did the Anglo-Saxons change England and what part did the Scots play? The main disciplinary concept is cause and consequence, to understand how Britain changed under the Anglo-Saxons. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each, apart from lesson 6, which is just 1 hour to allow time for the inquiry question, planning and completing. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. Pupils should be able to answer lesson question based on their new learning at the end of each lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the Unit Planning Guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.